Yes.
Bago lahat, I want to congratulate you sa pelikula mo, yung Close to You. It's doing so well sa box office. Congratulations. Pero Sam, kasi medyo natagalan ka bago ka nakahanap ka ng bagong condo, right? After you came out from Pinoy Big Brother. You came out November, right?
November 5th.
November 5th. At ngayon ka lang nakahanap ng bagong condo mo. Why did it take you so long?
Kasi talagang walang oras talaga.
Ako, meron akong question sa'yo. You understand Tagalog naman, di ba?
Kaya ko naintindihan mas marami kaysa kaya ko magsalita.
Meron ka pa bang time sa mga babae?
Sadly, no. Hindi masyado.
Pero ba't may mga texts na ako nakikita galing kay Tony?
Okay, no, me and Tony, we text and we're getting to know each other. We actually just did your song. Both our schedules are very hectic, so we're just getting to know each other. So
Jonas, Roxanne, kayo mo nang bahala dito, ha? Impress us again, and I'm sure you'll do a good job. Just live it right and we will take care of it. Not everyone knows that you and your sister are very close. And actually, 10 months apart kayo. So you're considered Irish twins. Bakit special ang relationship, with your sister, and how would you describe it?
with my sister, we've always been together because we skated together too. I didn't even live with my parents for 6 years. I lived with my coach and my sister was always there. She's kind of like my idol. And I've always tried to copy her a lot of times.
But Sam, there was a time that yung kapatid mo nagtrabaho naman sa Iraq during the war, right?
She just got back last year.
Tumawag siya sa'yo and she told you that their campsite was almost attacked.
It was attacked a lot. Yeah.
Were you nervous?
Oh my gosh, I was scared to death. Because, I don't know, what would I do if I lost my sister?
Alam mo, Sam, kaya ako naitanong yan kasi yung tao na tutulungan natin ngayon, meron din siyang older sister at she's also a Filipino pero may foreign blood katulad sa'yo. Kaso nga lang, na-abandon siya ng kanyang tatay. Narito po ang kwento ni Karina McGeechee. Anak ng isang Canadian na si Norman McGeechee, ang 14 years old na si Karina